welcome back to Let's Cook That. They requested for me to make a pizza, which I will do it pretty soon, but I don't have enough flour to make a pizza. But I do have a video on keto pizza that's using cheese. So if you guys have a lot of cheese, you could go check out the video of the keto pizza, which is really good. But this one, it's gonna be for all your little ones, and even not for your little ones, even the adults like it. It's gonna be a grilled cheese pizza, okay? So we're gonna get started with those ingredients. But first, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on the little bell so you can get notified every time we upload a new video so you won't miss any of these videos that they're seasoned with love. So now let's get started with those ingredients. So you can go ahead and use any kind of bread that you have at home, like sandwich bread. I have whole wheat and white, and then we have some butter, some pizza sauce. If you don't have pizza sauce, I've done it with spaghetti sauce and it works perfectly fine. We have some mozzarella cheese, or it's best if you use the sliced mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, and I have some jalapeños. Okay, so first step is preheat your griddle, and I have it to medium to low. And then let's go ahead and get some butter, and we're gonna spread it on one side of the bread. Now that the griddle is preheated, let's go ahead and the side that you have the butter, put it facing down. And then on this side, let's go ahead and add our sauce. And like I said, if you use the sliced mozzarella cheese, it'll be much easier. But I didn't have any, and I haven't been to the store. So let's go ahead and add our shredded mozzarella cheese. Then I'm going to add our pepperonis. Now, if you want to add a little bit more sauce on this side, it's totally fine. Or you can just leave it like that. Once you see that your bread is getting a little with the melted butter, let's go ahead and flip it to put it on top of this one. And we'll let it get nice and toasty from one side and then the other side, but we're putting it on top so it could start sticking together. So it's been on 2 minutes, but remember it depends on the heat of your stove. And I'm gonna go ahead and flip this one. Look how nice and toasty. Now let's go check this one. Oh yeah, it's that. This one's thinner. Yummy. So once it's nice and toasty and everything looks nice and melted in there, let's go ahead and remove them. Okay, now let's go ahead and cut right in the middle. Did I cut? Oh yeah, I did. And there we have our pizza. Second one. I'll do this one second. With the jalapeños. And that's it, you guys. See how easy you can even have fun making them with your kids. But I'm gonna go ahead and try the wheat one because this one is actually Marlene's. But let's go ahead and give this a try. Very delicious, you guys. When I was a kid, my dad would love making them, but we had the little machine. I don't know what happened to it. But if you don't have it, no problem. You can still make it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Share with your family and friends. And subscribe if you haven't done so. And we'll see you next time on Let's Cook That.